Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your TikTok account. After you open up your TikTok, next thing you want to do is to simply click on profile right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on this three slider. Click on this three slider from the top. Then this is going to drop down right here. Go ahead and click on settings and privacy. Go ahead and click on security and permissions. Then go ahead and click on two-step verification. Then go ahead and select authenticator. Click on turn on. You have to enter your phone number right here. Then go ahead and enter your phone number. Hit on continue. Copy the code and fill it up right here. Here you go. You have your authenticator right here. The next thing you want to do is to install an authenticator app. For example, it might be Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. So I'm going to exit from here now. Then what we want to do here is to go ahead and go and download Google Authenticator. So I have Google Authenticator already on my phone right here. If you don't have Google Authenticator before, just go ahead to your Play Store on your Android phone. So after you open up Play Store on your Android phone, click on search. Then make sure you click on search app and then type in Google Authenticator. Click on search. Then it's take you right here. Make sure you download and install it on your phone. After you have successfully downloaded and installed it, click on open. The next thing you want to do is to see how we can add our TikTok account right here. For that, click on this plus sign right here. Click on enter a setup key. Then enter the name right here. So I'm going to name this TikTok. Then here, we have to make sure we copy the key from TikTok and paste it right here. I'm going to exit from here now and head over back to my TikTok right here. So this is the key right here. We copy the key. Having copied the key, then I have to go ahead and go back to my authenticator app right here. Then I'll make sure I paste the key right here. Once we paste the key, we click on add. Then in a few seconds, our TikTok account has been successfully added. Now, how are we going to pair this authenticator with our TikTok for a maximum TikTok account security? What we want to do is to click and hold down to copy this particular 6-digit code. Then we have to head over back to our TikTok right here. Then we click on next. Then we paste the code right here. Add to trusted device. Click on add. It's that simple. We have fully turned on all our security settings in order to protect our TikTok account with Google Authenticator. Everything has been fully set up right here on our TikTok account. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to secure your TikTok account with Google Authenticator app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.